Insta360, the company known for its portable action cams and VR cameras, has officially entered the world of webcams to offer a solution. While some of Insta360's action cams can be used as webcams, the company hasn't made a webcam until now. The Insta360 Link is an AI-powered 4K 30fps webcam perched on a 3-axis gimbal and packed with a variety of capture modes. It's really impressive just how good the photos and videos from the Link look. Especially if we are talking about the integrated webcams in laptops. There's certainly a solid selection of 4K webcams out there, such as the Logitech Brio, the Dell Ultra Sharp webcam, or the Lumina 4K. But we all know resolution is just a number. What's really impressive is just how good the photos and video it captures look. Overhead mode is designed to capture a top-down view of a flat surface. Switching to desk view mode angles the camera at your desk. The 3 available gesture controls allow you to control the camera without ever having to step out of frame. The gestures available include holding up your flat palm to start and stop tracking, and pointing upward with your thumb out to the side, then raising your hand up and down to digitally zoom in and out. Portrait mode. You can live stream with a totally uncropped 9:16 view for optimal mobile viewing and better image quality. Link's advanced software also enables desk view mode, which allows users to quickly toggle between showing their face and their tablet top, making a V shape with your fingers to enter whiteboard mode. Software algorithms level the perspective for easier viewing of documents, perfect for presenting during a video call or working out a math problem. From dual noise cancelling mix to block out unwanted interruptions. You'll definitely want to install the Insta360 Link controller software on your computer. This allows you to make fine adjustments to various settings, switch modes, update the firmware, adjust camera parameters, and control movement of the camera via an on-screen joystick. The Link doesn't come with a physical privacy shutter, but instead has an automatic privacy mode that activates after 10 seconds in standby. In privacy mode, the camera turns on its gimbal to face downward, and the light around the base turns off. The Insta360 Link can be set up with a built-in clip, and comes with a noise-reducing microphone. On the official website, the 4K webcam is priced at $299. Insta360 is marketing the Link as a perfect webcam for a variety of situations, from making presentations at work to filming a dance tutorial for YouTube. The Link is an excellent webcam, but for a very specific audience. Most of the Link's features are overkill for the average webcam user, especially in a work environment. Features such as whiteboard, overhead, and desk view mode aren't really necessary in most work environments, and will shine better in some sort of educational Twitch lecture or maker's tutorial on YouTube. So, that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel, and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.